What's up guys, welcome back to my channel that is Programming Nation. My name is Priyanshu Tiwari and I'll make you understand or learn different programming languages. So, today we are here with one of the programming language that is HTML. HTML is used for web designing, and when you are visiting a web page you will be seeing there are different photos, means images, videos, text printed on it, or we can say it is because of this HTML and another codes. So HTML is the basic language for designing a web page, and there are further more like JavaScript, CSS and many more. So in today's session I will be teaching you the basic HTML tags, the requirements for these coding, means HTML coding, and also how to save an HTML document. So uh, for requirement, first we need a text editor. The text editor, that is Notepad, is already pre-installed in your computer, but it has become old-fashioned. So you can download this Notepad plus plus. So you can download this Notepad plus plus from, you can go from search on Google, and you can on File Hippo you can download it. The latest version will be maximum of 3 MB. So and you can install it. It contains more functions or tools than this old-fashioned notepad. So I really don't like this. So bye bye. I don't like you. So another requirement thing is that a browser where will be where the code will, when we are writing the code. So we need to see the output. What is the output of this code? We'll be able to see over here only on this means I mean to say over here in this browser. So we'll move forward over here. So first we'll save our HTML document. We have not written anything, but we'll save and we'll write, move forward with this only. So we can give any name over here. In one place only I am saving it, like over here programming dot html. Don't forget to type dot html, or you can, if you are using notepad plus plus, you can use this only. Means my preference is that if you are using directly a notepad, you need to type this. If you are not using notepad and you are using notepad plus plus, you can go over here also. There is over here a hypertext markup language, you can directly save it like this. Then yes, so it has become this programming.html. So here I'll show you how to, means I'll show you this HTML, the format of HTML. So HTML, then the this first I'm typing all the tags text, and I'll make you introduce you with these all. Yes. So you'll be seeing that there are a pair of each and every tags. So each tags means there are a pair of each and every tags, and they are known as means a container tag. A container tag is that in which there is a pair of one tag, one single tag, like this. Over here we are ending for a simple board. Yes. So in a tag, in a container tag, there is a pair of one tag only. You can see over here, like over here HTML, then head tag, then title tag and body tag. So you can recognize it by seeing that one there is two pairs, and the starting tag and ending tag is this. One is this and one is this. For body one is this one and another is this. For head this and this. Title this and this. You can identify the starting tag by directly in the angle brackets head, or the another code, that is HTML code, body or head written or title written. You can recognize that it is an ending tag by seeing that there is a slash over here. You can see in the each and every ending tags there is a slash. This means it's an ending tag. So HTML means it is always present in the HTML document. It is in each document it has been considered that like a single page. So everything is written inside these tags only. If the command are not enclosed in these tags, then the browser will assume that it's a simple text, and it will you will not be able to get or the output which you want. And so the HTML tag will help the browser to recognize that it's an HTML document. Moving forward with head, see the browser, sorry, this what we say, each and every HTML page is divided into two parts, that is body and head tag. So this is head. So this is the upper part of this what we say, the upper part of this HTML document. So it consists of different things like it contains tag, its title of the document, script information, or the basic informations of a document. Like title, you can inside this head tag there is a title tag. That means this title tag gives the title of the web page. Like I am writing over here, what I am writing, see, like I writing programming nation. When I am saving it over from here, you'll be able to see, when I am refreshing this, you'll be able to see that programming nation, what I have written inside this tag, this title tag is printed on the tab. This means that it's the name of the web page. So in heading it consists of the title, script or main information of a document. Next is this body tag. So you are able to understand what is head. Head is the, it consists of title, scripts and all, and title is the name of the web page. So body is the part where, like I'm writing, we love, sorry, we love programming. Ramming. So this will be printed in the output screen. So I will save it, like control plus S, directly it has been saved. So when I am refreshing it, we love programming has been printed on the output screen. So with the help of these text, we can, means this all tags, we can build a basic what we say, a web page. So if you like the video, please thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.